/r/netlurker1. Rar X3. Nuzzles. How are you? Pounces on you. You're so warm. 030. Notices you have a bulge. Kaxois piste O. Someone's happy. Winky face. Nuzzles your necky wacky. Murr. Hehe. Rubbies your bulgy. You're so big. Kaxois piste O. Rubbies more on your bulgy. It doesn't stop growing. It's probably a fun, like blushing anime face. I don't know, smileys. Kisses you and lickies your necky. Daddy likey, swinky face. Nuzzles wuzzles. I hope Daddy really likes. Smiley with a dollar sign as a mouth. Wiggles butt and scrums. I want to see a big daddy meat. Wiggles butt. I have a little itch. 030. Wags. No, not wags tail. There you go.
I'd like to kill myself.
Can you please get my itch? Puts paws on your chest. Yeah. It's a 7-inch itch. It's actually 8. Rubs your chest. Can you help me be punished real good? Please, squirms, pretty please, sad face. I need to be punished. Runs paws down your chest and bites lip. And need to be punished really good. Paws on your bulge as I lick my lips. I'm getting thirsty. Can I go for some milk? Unbuttons your pants as my eyes glow. You smell so musky. Kaxois piste V. Licks shaft. So musky. Drools all over your cock. Your daddy me. I like fondles Mr. Fuzzy Balls. Puts snout on balls and inhales deeply. Is this like fucking Brap 2.0 or something?
Oh my god.
Oh god, I'm so hard. Licks balls. Punish me, daddy. Nya. Squirms more and wiggles, but I love your musky goodness. Bites lip, please punish me. Licks lips, nya. Suckles on your tip, so good. Licks pre of your cock, salty goodness. Why don't you use fucking punctuation in this? Eyes roll back and goes balls deep. Moans and suckles at the same time. Multitasking. And I want to shoot myself now.
Why did you do that?